Forking creates your own real, genuine copy of someone else's repository on GitHub, while cloning just downloads it locally. Open source contribution genuinely needs both. In this video you'll do a real fork and PR workflow. This real fork is genuinely your own copy. You have full write access, unlike the original repo you don't own. This real command downloads your fork locally, not the original. You are genuinely working on your own copy. This real pull request genuinely proposes merging your fork's branch into the original project, the standard open source contribution flow. Forking creates your own real, writable copy of someone else's repo on GitHub. Cloning downloads a real repository locally, your fork, in the open source flow. A pull request from your fork back to the original is the real standard contribution flow. Fork a real open source repository, clone your fork, and open a PR with one small fix. Ready to automate real tests running on every single push?